Okay, Daniela, welcome again. Welcome, Daniela. Are you ready now?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, now you can share your screen for me and explain how did you do your analysis and what are your results.
Okay.
First thing you have to do,
see?
make your screen bolder, make your candle to be bigger. This one is too tiny.
Okay.
Do you know where to do that?
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay.
So yesterday I was analyzing the Great Britain pound versus the Australian dollar.
Okay.
And then I managed to draw some trend lines like this.
Okay.
But I'm not sure if I'm correct or not. And then I managed to put the buttons of buy and sell buttons. And then I did the same on GB to USD and on USD to JPY. And on this one, yeah. And on Europe to GBP.
Okay. So what every sign you put on them, do they go your direction, or you put it on previous trade, or you put it on a future and the future meets the requirement? Because if you put it on a previous trade, it's not a good job. You have to put it, you have to learn to predict the future price. Did you predict the future price and it went your prediction?
Yeah, I did predict in some, but it did not really go my way.
Okay. All right. At least you try something, but it's okay.
Yeah, I think that's my challenge.
What I'm going to do now is to draw I will show you how to draw a proper trend line. Okay.
Yes.
Then I will want you to use the indicator I gave you. Anytime you want to walk, use those indicators, because those are the indicators you use to trade live account. Okay.
Yes.
So
okay.
Now let me off your screen and let me share the screen with you. So I quickly have like 10 minutes to explain some things to you. Okay. So let me share my own screen with you now.
Okay.
Did you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Unfortunately, other people are not here, so but I would share with you. So let's use. Okay, let me use. You said you traded what yesterday? GU.
Yes.
Is it pounds USD or pounds what?
Pounds.
Pounds what?
Pounds to AUD. Yes.
Okay. So I pick pounds to AUD. I'm going to do that one for you. Then always make your screen to be clean. I said this several times. Your screen is not clean. That's why I'm struggling. You have to upload this indicator there. Now, for you, instead for you to be drawing all those lines, you can see support and resistance line has been drawn already for you. So it's good like this. But for you to now analyze from daily down, daily, as you can see, is red. 4 hours is red. 1 hour is red. That shows we have to sell on those timelines. So let's come to daily. If you want to draw a line and you want to get it right, sometimes you can switch your you can switch your you can switch your candle line to lines like this. You can see how the line look like. Okay. Did you see how this line look like now?
Yes.
Let me see if I can. Okay, you see how it look like. So when you switch to a line, it makes you have a lot of more accuracy to draw your support and resistance line as well. So let me do this so I can show you. When you change to a line, if you look at here, to draw lines now, support and resistance. You can draw from, you see this top, you can see the top clearly. You can see, you see how I drew it. You can, it will make you draw a perfect line. It will make you draw a perfect line. You look at this one, I can draw a perfect line with it. You see. So like here now, if you look at here, did you see where I put my mouse here?
Yes.
This is a good selling point for you. You can see that the market is selling. And here there's a resistance that market fell back. Immediately the candle closed here, you can enter short and trade and sell up to this level. Did you understand what I'm saying?
Can you please explain again?
You can see that which direction the market is going now, what direction the market is going.
The market is selling.
Good. So now when you follow this, when you draw the line, you follow this, you are only looking for selling opportunity. Selling opportunity. Yes. So now this is a selling opportunity here. Let me put a line for you.
Yes.
This is a selling opportunity here. We can enter market somewhere. Somewhere here, we can sell somewhere here. You understand?
Yeah.
But now, if you analyze, this is what I'm supposed to, the other people, I'm the one that messed up the class today. I'm sorry about that. I can't fault them. That's why I'm recording this one so I can put it in. So now, if you want to trade, if you analyze on 1 hour, the good thing now is to go to 15 minutes to go and look for a trading opportunity. So let's go to 15 minutes. You see, and look at it. Where did you see trading opportunity? You saw it here, right?
Yes.
And what did you see? It went down. So this trading opportunity here for you. That's number one. Number two, if you look at here and here, this 1 hour line, what did you see here? Double top.
Yeah.
This double top, looking like it's written. Let me see where I can see that thing to write for you. It look as if, okay, double top is look like, it look like letter M.
L.
So when you see double top, it's a good signal for you to sell.
To sell, yes.
Yeah, but you remember that you saw the signal on which time frame?
The signal.
Yes, trading signal, selling signal. Where did you see it?
On 15 minutes.
No, you want to take action on 15 minutes. We saw the signal on 1 hour. That's why we first of all go to 1 hour and draw this line.
Okay.
Look at it. I'll go back there again. Look at it. That's why I came here, that when you want to trade,
yes, I see it.
Yeah, you see, this is where we saw the signal of trading. But we want to go and look for 15 minutes to know the entry. Entry is our problem. In forex trading, where you are going to enter appropriately. So now look at where the 1 hour line is. Look at where the double top is. That means this is a good entry for us to sell. And now you enter sell somewhere here. When 15 minutes show you sell, you enter sell somewhere here and you write down to somewhere here if it's possible. And that is 167 pips. So if you use 10 cents, you are going to get like $1.67. If you use $1, if you use 10 cents, you're going to get $16. If you use $1 per pip, you're going to get $169 profit in this trade. So now, what you are going to do for me, you see this analysis that is very simple, because I'm coming from difficult level to simplest level for all of you. So that now you can quickly get the picture. Let's go to another one. Let me do another one so that when the people when I send the video out, other people too will be able to benefit. Let's pick another AU card. Let's pick AU card. I'm just picking in random. So let me put template. This template is very important. You must learn how to do it. Let's say we want to trade.
Yes, I do use it.
Pardon?
Sir?
What did you say?
No, I said I do use the templates.
Okay. So now let's go to, let's say we want to use daily to analyze this market. Let's quickly go there. Frame, daily. So these are daily. You can see what happened here. So now we want to draw the line. You have to switch this to line like this, and you draw the line in daily. You see? You see the line? You have to make it as accurate as possible. Then you see the line here. We're going to take this one and draw it like this. Let me delete this one. Okay. Let me delete this one. Is okay. Let me delete this one. So let me do it again. This is the line. Up to this level. We want to make sure that it's as accurate as possible. You must touch. You see. Now you can see, and we saw a sign, a selling signal here.
Selling.
So let's put it there. Okay. Now we are, and if you look at here, you can see that the market has break this level. It has break this upper downtrend. Okay. So now let's try to look at 4 hours. You see, what is 4 hours telling us? There are a lot of disturbance here. You see, so let's go to let's go to 1 hour. You see, this is what 1 hour is telling us now. This is what 1 hour is telling us. We can still draw this line here, but you can see that the markets, the structure here is not too clear.
Not certain.
Yeah, it's not too clear. Let's go to 15 minutes. Sorry. Okay. Now, even in 15 minutes, right? If you look at this, this is a sideways market. You see, it's a sideways market. You can see that market doesn't pull up here, but it broke up here. So what we want to look for here to be able to trade properly, we need to look for those reversal, what do we call it? Reversal reason why we should pick a trade. But you look, we don't see double top, we don't see double bottom, we don't see head and shoulders. So like this one is not proper. If you look at this, the first analysis, you can see that we saw
the double top
clearly. So this is the kind of good, clear trade. You understand? Though
yes.
we analyze it in, remember we analyze it in 1 hour. You see, we saw it in 1 hour that, okay, there's a selling here, but we need to go to the next time frame to go and look for entry points. And when we go to 15 minutes, that's why we saw that double top. And we saw selling signal. That's why we said we can buy. So, but if you come to this AU card, you can see that we don't see clear picture of anything here. So let's try to pick another something. Let's pick Euro JPY. Remember that we want to be trading anything that related to London market. Sorry. So we put this, go back there and put template. You see, here's the template. We come to daily. Let's start from daily. Daily is telling us that market is going what? Towards up. Sorry, market is going up here. The signal came out here. Let's turn it, let's look at it. You can see that Look at it here. Look at this trend. It's uptrend. You can see.
Yes, uptrend.
It's uptrend. Okay. And let's draw this also. If we look at this trend also, let's draw it again. You see, something like that. Okay. Now, if this is the one this daily, and if you look at this signal now, you can see all of them are what? Green. In fact, all of them say market is going up here. So, but don't let us just go in blindly. Let's go to 4 hours. Look at what 4 hours 2 is saying here. We have already seen buying here, and the market keep on going up. And if you look at here, what did we see here? What did you see here? Can you tell me what you see here?
I see double bottom.
Good. You saw double bottom. Once you train your eyes, you'll be seeing what I'm going to be showing you. You saw double bottom. And when you see double bottom, it's good opportunity to do what?
To buy or to sell.
No. Double top is to sell. Double bottom is to buy. So there's no or to sell. It's just to buy. You see? So when you see this double bottom, you can enter this market and your stop loss will be at the bottom of the double bottom. Okay?
My stop loss should be
at the bottom. Your stop loss will be somewhere here. Don't worry, I'm finishing the software. I'm going to give you that software is what you are going to use to trade next week.
Okay.
Yeah, by next week, the software will be ready for you. Your stop loss will be like this, somewhere here. And you see what happened? The market keep on going up.
It's going up.
Yeah. So the important thing is when you analyze on daily, you can enter market on 4 hours or 1 hour or 30 minutes or 15 minutes. You must go and look for confirmation in the lower frame. Okay. This is 4 hours, right?
Yes.
Let's go to 1 hour again. Maybe we can see confirmation. Okay. This 1 hour is too jam packed, but let's see what we are seeing. Maybe we will see anything reasonable here. Okay. If you look at it, it's still going up. Let's draw this. You see what I draw? That is still uptrend something. But you know, we can enter this market if we are going to buy from where? Where did you think we saw a confirmation to buy? And tell me why. Here.
Okay.
Can you tell me where did you see something like, okay, I'll buy here, and tell me the reason why we are going to buy?
We saw it firstly from this signal.
We saw it from this signal.
Yes, and then the following uptrend.
Yes, following uptrend. Then where do you put your stop loss?
Resistance and the strong resistance.
Yes. So there's a strong resistance here. Even if you enter the market, you know we are talking about the future. You'll be scared to keep on going here. Maybe you make small profit to close it. You understand? But you understand what I'm saying? Because there's it's not resistant. It's a resistant before, but when the price break it, it becomes support.
Support.
You understand? So, but you saw a signal to buy here. Did you see that?
Yes.
Let's apply. If we believe that this is a future, we don't know what is going on in the future, you see it. Or if you look at 1 hour analysis, we can go to 15 minutes and go and see where do we see entrance. Let's see, where do we see entrance? Let's do this. Let's first of all mark where do we see buying signal in 1 hour. We saw it here. Okay. Now let's go to 15 minutes to see. So we saw it here. You can see we saw it here. But is there anything that can make us feel like we should trade? Actually, if you look at here and the signal came out here, we can enter this because we already see that the price is struggle to break the support here.
Yes.
So, and we put our stop loss below this price. And we can ride from here up. Did you see that?
Mm.
Yeah. So this is the way we do analysis of the market. So the rule is, if you want to trade, if you see signal on daily, you're going to look for 4 hours where you are going to see the pattern, maybe double top or double bottom or engulfing candles. Then if you trade, if you check analysis on 4 hours, you are going to come to 1 hour to look for trading opportunity. If you do analysis of 1 hour, you are coming to 15 minutes to look for trading opportunity. Is that clear to you?
Yes.
Okay. So now I'm giving you assignment, and you must do only this assignment. Do analysis on Euro, USD, Japanese yen for me, and I'm going to ask for it tomorrow. Okay?
USD Japanese.
Yen.
Okay. On 1 hour time frame.
You do all the time frame, and you are going to note where you are going to buy, where you are going to buy. You are going to tell me tomorrow, I'm buying here, I'm buying here, I'm stopping here, I'm putting my stop loss here.
Okay.
Yeah. So do you have any questions so far? If there's anything that is not clear to you?
No.
All right. So thank you for attending the meeting.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, bye-bye. I'll drop this video for the other ones, other people.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay, bye.
Thank you.